double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel.
A third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East, just behind the initial cruiser. The second cruiser is still traveling northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this fork in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40, or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430 and unknowingly travel towards the second pursuing officer. The suspect did take the I-430 south exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade on the highway.
On the shoulder right now. 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. Right now, 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. And 36 ahead of it. Southbound. With the transplant.
He wrecked out. Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! You're on it back there.
Hey, can I got
Hey, shut the f*** up!
Hey, can I take this helmet off?
Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck.
Okay,
We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't
That
care.
red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did I get the Midwest off? They're going back to Palmer County.
Oh, yeah.
Turn this way. Stop facing this way. Hey, face the car. The right remain silent. You understand your rights? Yes, sir. Bike stolen?
No, sir. I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
Slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.